Dear friends, hi, how are you? Today I show you another exercise and welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shifon. Today I show you using this incline bench. This exercise name is leg fold and throw. This exercise is very important for our gluteus maximus, thoracic muscle and our rectus abdominis. Now I show you starting by now my head inclined inside and both hands breathe onto the bar and both legs straight and start this exercise counting 10 and close your both knee and push, close, 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 push. Thank you.